Hello, good morning student. As you know, yesterday we read about our place value up to numbers 1000. So today we will start our place value chart up to numbers crore, where we have to learn about up to crore numbers. Today I am making a place value chart on the board. You can see here. Today we will learn about separating numbers by using commas in periods. Today we will separate the numbers by using commas in periods. That is so I make a place value chart here. First period is when we will separating numbers by using commas, we will separating numbers in periods. तो मैंने इस चार्ट को पीरियड के अकॉर्डिंग सेपरेट किया हुआ है. यू कैन सी हियर इज वंस पीरियड, हियर इज वंस पीरियड. वंस पीरियड हैज 3 प्लेसेस, वंस, टेंस एंड 100. आफ्टर दैट विच पीरियड विल कम? 1000 पीरियड. 1000 पीरियड हैज 2 places. How many places has 1000 periods? It has 2 places, 1000 place and 10,000 place. After that, which period will come? Lakh period. Lakh period also have 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. After that, crore period. Crore period already have 2 places, crore and 10 crore. Then you can see easily here on our chart, once period have 3 places, 1000 period has only 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. Lakh period, lakh and 10 lakh. Crore period, crore and 10 crore. Then I want to know why we need to separating numbers in period. हमें पीरियड में नंबर्स को अलग करने की जरूरत क्यों है? We know that, हमको पता होना चाहिए अगर हम नंबर्स को पीरियड में सेपरेट करेंगे then we can read the number easily. जिससे हम नंबर को easily read and write. We can write and read easily number. So that we need the number separating in periods. According to these periods, we will separating numbers in period by using commas. How it will be? You can see here. I am giving an example. As you know, yesterday we read about place value chart up to 1000 number. I hope you did it at home. Some exercise I had given on the board. So today we are going ahead. Now here I am writing a large digit number without naming any number. I am writing any digit. You can see how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is not easily to read it once. ये आपको एकदम रीड करने में नंबर इजी नहीं होगा. When we separate it by using comma, then we can read it number easily. Then first period, this one. Once period is first period. Second is 1000 periods. Third is lakh period. After that crore period. Then how many places have once period? Once period में कितने place है? You can see here on the chart. So it has 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Then we will count here from here. Smaller number say left side to right side. We will count the numbers. So then how many places have once period? 1, 2, 3. Then we will count here 1, 3 digit 1, 2, 3. Here we will put a comma. ये 3 नंबर हमने काउंट किए बिकॉज वंस पीरियड के अकॉर्डिंग हम सेपरेट कर रहे हैं. हाउ मेनी प्लेसेस हैव वंस पीरियड? 3 places. So we will put a comma here. Once, tens, hundred. After that, which period will come? 1000 period will come. Then how many places have 1000 period? 1000 period had 2 places. Then we will count after that 2 numbers. 1, 2. Then we will put a comma here. अब उसके बाद हमने 2 place count किया. Then we will count 2 numbers and we are putting comma here. After that, which period will come? Lag period. Then how many places have lag period? Lag period have 2 places. Then we will put a comma here. After that, crore period. That nothing number is after that, so we will put a comma here. Now we can read this number easily. The number will become 4 crore 87 lakh 85,475. You can read the number easily. So you have to what to do for that? You have to separating numbers by using commas. And we can do placing also on the top of the number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. If I taking one other number, अगर मैम नहीं सोच, अगर मैंने एक नंबर और लिया इधर, then again you will see what will happen. I am giving another example of separating numbers in period by using commas. Another number I am taking here. I write a digit here, larger number. So again you will separating in periods by using comma. Again you will see on the chart. इससे आप चार्ट को देखोगे. First, which period will come? One's period will come first. How many places have one's period? It has 3 places. So we will count from the. We will start counting from the. हम कहाँ से counting start करेंगे? We will start from one's place. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 3 places here, and we will count 3 number 1, 2, 3. We will put a comma here. After that, 1000 period. How many places is 1000 period? 1000 period has 2 places. So then we have put a 1, 2 numbers. We will count 2 numbers and putting a comma here. After that, this period will come. The lag period will come here. Now lag period also have 2 places, 1 and 2. We will put a comma here. And crore period have 2 places. We had already here 2 places. Now we can read this number 37 crore 89 lakh 56,795. We can read it larger number easily by using commas. We can read easily this number by using commas. Okay, again I am reading this number 37 crore 89 lakh 56,795. I hope you will understood it properly. Another example I am giving to you. Again, you can learn it easily. Again, one's period has 3 places, 1, 2, 3, and 1000 period already had 2 places. So we will put after counting 2 numbers. After the lag period have 2 places, we will put already commas here, and crore place is not here. So no need to write here commas. Now we can read this number. It is 50. 57,89,750. The number will become 57,89,750. Then you say why we need these commas. हमें इन commas की जरूरत क्यों है? Because we can read the larger number easily. We can write it also very easily. Now I am asking the place value of numbers in these digits. अब मैं आपसे इस नंबर में प्लेस वैल्यू पूछ रही हूँ किसी भी नंबर की. आई एम आस्किंग एनी नंबर्स. सो व्हाट विल यू डू फर्स्ट? फर्स्ट वी डू प्लेसिंग ऑन द टॉप. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now we completed our placing. So if I ask to you the place value of 8, I am asking this number the place value of 8. So 8 on which place 8 is? 8 is on place value of 8. The 8 is on 10,000 place. So place value of 8 is 80,000. And I am using here comma. You can see I am using because it is ones period, it is 1000 periods. So I am using after 3 zeros a comma. Now another example, I am taking to write the place and place value of larger number. We are writing here a larger digit 8. I am writing here a larger digit. If I ask to you place value of 9 and place value of 5. Place value of 9 is and place value of 7. Of 7 is. Now for finding place value, what we have to do first? We have to do first placing on the top of the each number. Then again we are starting right placing ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. We do placing first. After that what will we do here? We do place value of 9. Then we can see the place of 9. Place is on crore place. 9 किस नंबर किस प्लेस पर है? करोड़ प्लेस पर. The place value of 9 will be 9 crore. So how you can write the place value of 9? You can write 9 first. आप सबसे पहले 9 को यहाँ पर लिखेंगे. After that how many digits? उसके पहले कितने डिजिट है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can put it here 7 zeros. And it is the place value of 9 crore. And this number is also we have to put it comma here. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. It is 9 crore. The place value of 9 in this digit has 9 crore. Again we are taking place value of 7. In this digit we we are taking place value of 7. Now you can see on which place 7 is. 7 किस place पर है? 7 आपके 10 lakh place पर है. तो we will write 7 here. Then place value of 7 10 means 10 lakh में 7 10. Then ये tens ये ones. Then 7 10 means 70. Then how many place value of 7 is on this place? 70 lakh. Then we will write again 7 number first. After that we can count the digit. जो 7 के पहले digit आए, we can count that digit and उतनी ही जीरो हमको उस नंबर के पीछे लगा देना है. तो after 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit are there, so where we can put here 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now what is the place value of 7 in this digit? The place value of 7 is 70 lakh. Again we are separating this number in comma. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. The place value of 7 in this digit is 70 lakh. Another digit we are taking from this digit. For more practice, if I am asking to do place value of 4, if I ask to you place value of 4 in this digit, अगर आपसे पूछे 4 की place value इस digit में क्या है, then you can see place is on the 10,000 place. 4 किस place पर है आपका? 10,000 place. So you can write 4 first. सबसे पहले आप क्या लिखेंगे? 4. उसके पहले before that how many digits are there, you can count and putting a zero according to numbers. जितने नंबर हैं उसके अनुसार आपको उतना ही जीरो यहाँ पर लगा देना है. तो 4 के पहले आपकी 1 2 3 4 digits are there, so you can put it here 4 zeros. Then the place value of 4 in this digit is 40,000. How many place value? Then how can we read the number? 1 2 3 and once it is ones period and it is thousand period. Then how many number is? 40,000. The place value of 4 is 40,000. So if you will separating numbers in commas, you can read easily any largest number. You can read and write it easily. If I write a larger number here, now we will separate it by using commas. हम इसको comma यूज करके separate कर लेंगे periods के अंदर. Now ones period how many places? 1 2 3 3 places. So we are putting commas here. After that thousand period, here 2 places. We are putting commas here. After that lakh period, it is already have 2 periods. Now we are putting commas here. Here is 1 period. Crore period, so it is we are putting comma here. Now we can read it is ones, it is thousand, it is lakh, it is crore. Then the number will become 8 crore 97 lakh 56,856. Without separating comma, it will be difficult to read any numbers. Again we will read this number. We can read it periods, ones, tens, hundred, it is ones period, it is thousand period, it is lakh period and it is crore period. Then we can read the number 8 crore 97 lakh 56,856. Then I hope children you will understood it properly why we need this place value chart, so that we can read and write the number easily. So we need this chart. Yesterday I told you two things and place. Now if I ask to you, I am writing one digit numbers. Again we are separating in periods. Ones, tens, hundred, ones period. Thousand, 10,000, thousand periods. Lakh, 10 lakh period, and crore period. Before that I explained to you place value. Now I am asking to you only place of number. अब आपसे केवल place पूछा गया है कि किस place पर वो number है. Only you have to write the place of that particular number. So first what will you do? You will do placing first ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. We completing our placing on the top of every number. After that, if I ask to you the place, I am asking only place, not value. Value means उस नंबर की उस प्लेस पर क्या वैल्यू है, मीन्स उसमें कितने नंबर छुपे हुए हैं. How many numbers are hidden in that particular number, which one I asking the place value. But here I am not asking the place value, I am asking to you only place. So I am asking to you only place of 9. In this digit I am asking the place of 9. So on which place 9 is? किस place पर है 9 हमारा? lakh place पर. तो then place of 9 is lakh. Only you have to write lakh. No need to write in 9 lakh. Sometimes student are writing instead of place they are writing the place value. It is very confusion. Please be clear in that. You have to write only, if I ask to write the place of particular digit, you have to write the place. If I ask to you write the place value, you have to write the place value. Here I ask to you only place. So 9. Now I am asking the place of 6. On which place is 6. Now I am asking the place of 6. Then again you can see the place, on which place 6 is there? 1000 place. Then you have to write only 1000. If I ask to you place value of 6 in this digit, place, here I am writing place and here place value of 6. अब इसी नंबर में हम आपसे 6 का प्लेस पूछा. 6 is on 1000 place and place value of, अब now 6000 place पर तो है, but how many numbers are there in 6000? So then you have to write first 6 and after that how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3. So you can put it here 30, the place value of 6, here 6000. I hope you understood it properly. Please do practice at home. I am giving some exercise to solve. Place value of 9. 9 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर देयर इन 9000 सॉरी 997 करो. It will become first what will we do? We will do placing on the top of every number. It will be 90 lakh. So you can write here because ones period, tens period and ones period, thousand periods and lakh period. It is 97 lakh 85,835. So you have to write the place value of 9. 9 place पर है 90 lakh के. So you have to write the 90 lakh there and here 7 is lakh place. So place value of 7 is only place of 7 is lakh. Now another one exercise I am giving to you in place value of 6, place value of 5, place of 8 and the place of 8. Here you have to write the place value of this digit and here you have to write the place of 8. So you do more practice. In next class we will discuss about this and next topic we will take it. Oh, thank you.